Welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss about same from last class continuation, Pert network analysis. So coming to Pert network analysis, we have already seen a slack type. So how to find the slack value and all. So today we are going to see about the standard deviation formula and probability factor. So how to find the probability and using the standard deviation. So now I'm going to solve it out one example problem. So before that, let me discuss the formula for standard deviation. So for standard deviation, variance, that will be sigma equal to sum of variance along critical path. Sigma equal to sigma. So this is the formula for standard deviation to determine standard deviation. So make a note of it. So next is the probability factor. To find the probability factor, that is equal to Ts minus Te divided by the variance. So you all know the variance formula. You all know the variance formula. We have discussed in the last class, I guess, last before class in the time computation. So the variance formula, you all know that sigma square equal to Tp minus T naught divided by 6. Right. So here will be finding probability factor, that is equal to Ts minus Te divided by sigma. So Ts is the slack. So in the last class we have seen the slack value, how to find the slack value. Slack is equal to slack minus Te divided by sigma. So this is your probability factor. So using this two formula, we will be solving the following example sum. So the question is, so this is a question. For example sum, you will be the project is expected to take 15 months along the critical path, having a standard deviation of 3 months. So what is the probability of completing the project within 15 within A is 15 months, 12 is 18 months, and 30 C is 12 months. So this is the probability of completing a project. So the standard deviation is 3 months. So using seeing the question, you will be know what is your sigma value. That is 3 months. So here they are given standard deviation is 3 months. Standard deviation is sigma. We are seeing in the formula. So next you will be finding the probability factor. So same formula you will be using here. So A is sigma is 3 months. They are given the 15 months, right? This 15 months. Expected time is 15 months. That is capital T equal to 15 months. So they have given the expected time and the standard deviation. Now we will be finding the probability. So probability factor that equal to Ts minus Te divided by sigma. So this is the formula. So this formula you are applying it for all the following thing. A is, so A they are telling 15 months. Ps is 15. So applying the formula, that is equal to 15 minus 15 divided by 3, that is 0. So Z is equal to 0. So next B. B they are given already 18 months. C they are given 12 months. So in the question. So 18 months, that is TS. So Z is equal to 18 minus 15 divided by 3. So what is the value? 1. Z is equal to 1. So next is 12 months. Z is equal to 12 minus 15 divided by 3 equal to, your answer is minus 1. So Z is equal to minus 1. So this all is your answer for A, B, C. Is that equal to 0? 0, is it equal to 1, is it equal to minus 1. So in the question, what they asked, we have to find the, what is the probability of completion the project within 15 months. So you have to find how many percentage. So here you have found 0, 1 and minus 1. So now you will be checking in the standard normal deviation function table column. So this is your table column. So we will be checking for first, what did you got? 0, right? That is 50%. So next is 1. For 1 it is 84%. Next for minus 1 is 15%. So minus 1 it is here. Minus 1 it is 15%. That is 50%, 84%, 15%. So write it over here. Where is your sum is here. So if that is 0, your probability of completing the project in 15 months is 50%. So next, the probability of completing the project in 18 months, that is 84%, 84.13%. So we have seen here, right? 83.13%. So next is for completing the project in 12 months. So according to our table, that is 15.87. Probability is 15.87%. So this is your example sum. So you have found the probability of completing the project in 15 months, 18 months, 12 months. So you have found the probability. So have you understood how to use the standard deviation formula and probability formula to find the project completion time? So how many percentage it is possible to complete, it is not possible to complete. So if you take a 15 months if your project go, you have 50% chance to complete the project. If you go for 18 months, you have 84%. If you go for 12 months, then that is your 15%. So this is the probability of completing a project. So next we'll do the other example sum. So next example sum we'll do from the network diagram. Draw the network diagram, everyone. So in the network diagram, the question is the time estimates each activity are mentioned. So time estimate for each activity will be mentioned. Determine the probability of completing the project in 35 days. So you have to determine, you have to find the, determine the probability of completing the project in 35 days. So in question they are given the network diagram. They will be giving you optimistic time, most likely time and pessimistic time. So you all know how to calculate the optimistic time, pessimistic time, most likely time. How to calculate? Which formula you have to use? Have you all remember? You have to use the expected time formula. Everyone use the expected time formula and find out the small te. So this is your question. You have to determine the probability of completing the project in 35 days. So what you will do, how you will find whether the project is completing in 35 days or not. So what is the percentage of chance to complete a project? So you have to find. So this project can be complete in 35 days. You have 50% chance of completion. You have 60% chance of completion. You have 80% chance of completion. Like that, you have to find the probability of completion this project. So how you will do? First, what step you have to do? You have to find out the small te, expected time. So find out the expected time and variance. So what formula is the, list down all the activities. Students list down all the activities. 1, 2, 2 is one activity. 1, 2, 3 is one activity. Next 2 to 4 is another activity. 3 to 4 is another activity. 4 to 5. 2 to 5. 3 to 5. So these are the activity you have. So for each this all activity you find out. This is activity. You find out TE and variance. So you all know what is TE formula. I will write the TE formula also. TE equal to optimistic time plus 4 times of most likely time plus pessimistic time divided by 6. So use this formula for 1 to 2 activity and find out small te. Next, variance formula. That is sigma square equal to Tp minus Po divided by 6 whole to the power of square. So find out, students. Everybody work out, use this two formula. Are you all clear? Use this two formula and find out this table value. You all know what is TO, TL, TP, right? TO, TL, TP. This is for 1 to 2. What is the value? So I'll be getting 1 to 2. TE is 10. 1 to 3, 9. 2 to 4, 9. 3 to 4, 8. 4 to 5, 11. 2 to 5, 7. 3 to 5, 5. So this is all your expected time. So now you have to find the variance. So have you all used the formula and find out the variance? So just don't copy from code, you just work out and see. Then only you will get an idea or get an experience to work on. 4, 4, 9, 4, 9, 1, 1. So this is your first table column. So next, what you will do? Next, you have to find the TL and TE and slab. So which table column you have to use? So we have discussed in the last class, right? You have to use that table column for earliest expected time and latest allowable time. So find out. So according to this table column, draw another network. So so this is your optimistic time, pessimistic time network diagram. So you have found the small TE. So using this table, draw a network diagram. All formulas are important, students. Formulas will be asked in your 1 mark question also. So 1 to 2 you found TE equal to 10. For 1 to 3 TE equal to 9. 2 to 4 TE equal to 9. 3 to 4 TE equal to 8. 4 to 5 TE equal to 11. 2 to 5 TE equal to 7. 3 to 5 T equal to 5. So next you have to find, you found the all small TE expected time. Next you will be finding the capital T. I will solve it out in this diagram only. You just draw the tabular column and try to work out on that. Okay. So I'll be doing in network diagram directly. T equal to 0. For 2, TE equal to 0 plus 10, 10. For 3, TE equal to 0 plus 9 is 9. For 4, TE equal to 10 plus 9 is 19. Right. So 9 plus 8 is your 17. Which one you will take? Obviously, the maximum one. So 19 you will be taking. So next, for 5, you are getting the 3 even. So you have to check 10 plus 7 is our maximum, or 19 plus 11 is our maximum, or 9 plus 5 is our maximum. So you will be getting obviously 19 plus 11 is 30. So only you will be taking the maximum value. So T equal to 30. So next, same over here. T L equal to 30. So you will be doing the, you will be finding the TL value. That is zero value. 30 minus 5 you will take, or first you will be doing for 4. 30 minus 11 is 19. For 2, 30 minus 10 you will take now. So you have to 30 minus 10, this is one path, the other path is 4 to 2. So you will be taking 3. For 3 you will be taking, you have two activity connecting to 3. So 19 minus 8 you will take, or 30 minus 5. So then you will be taking the minimum value, that is 30. 19 minus 8. So 19 minus, if you minus 30 minus 5 is 25. 25 is maximum. 19 minus 8. So 19 minus 8, what you will get? 11. So obviously we will take the lowest value. 11. So next is for 2, you have 2 activity which is connected to 2. So if you take 30 minus 7, what is the value? 23. 23 is bigger value. Next is 19 minus 9, 10. So you will be taking the lowest value, 10. So next, 11 minus 9 is 2. 10 minus 10 is 0. So you will be taking obviously 0. So this is you have to take the T.L. value. So you will be doing the slack. So what is our slack here? This is slack. This is equal to 0. 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 So how we will connect? So this is your critical path. So you have found the critical path and you have found the slack value. So using the slack value you have found the critical path. So now what you will do? So you have to find the probability whether the project can be complete in 35 days. How much is the percentage you can complete? How much percentage of chance you have to complete this project in 35 days? So what you will do? You now the deviation along the critical path is given. So you have to take down the formula, that is variance equal to square root of what is ij is the sum of variance along critical path. So you will be taking all the critical path. So sigma equal to critical path. What is the critical path over here? 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5. So how you will write down 1 to 2? So for all sigma square, 1 to 2 plus 2 to 4 plus 4 to 5. So this is all the critical path. So this is all the critical path. 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5. So this is all critical path. You will be writing the variance value for critical path. So what is the value for sigma variance value for 1 to 2? We have already found, right? So this is your for 1 to 2, 4. For 1 to 2, 4. Next 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is 9. So next 4 to 5 you have. 4 to 5 is 9. So this 3 value is important. 4, 9, 9. So applying that particular formula which we are working out, 4 plus 9 plus 9. So what is the value? 22. Take down, it will be 4.69. So 4.69. So you have found the sigma value is 4.69 in variance. So next we have to apply in that particular formula. So here you have to write down TL equal to TS equal to 30. Okay. So This is the important step in all the, because S is equal to 0, right? The 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. So in the end of your last value, always you have to write TL. If you want to find the slack value, TL equal to TS equal to 30 in the slack. The network, for network analysis alone, you have to write this step at the end. So now we will be solving the probability. They are to determine, this is a question, right? Determine the probability of completion of the project in 35 days. Now we will be applying the probability formula. Probability formula is equal to TS minus TE divided by sigma. So this is the formula. What is TS? TL equal to TS. That is 30, which we found, minus TE. They have given in the question 35 days. Probability of completion of the project is earliest expected time is 35 divided by this 4.69. 4.69. So your solve out this, calculate it 1.0.66. So your probability is that equal to 1.066. So what is the probability? What is the probability? How much percentage? Where you will see automatically you will go to the normal distribution formula. 1.0.66. So check out. That is 1. So you can see here this 1.0 is 84. 1.1 is 86. So you have to calculate for 1.066. So it will automatically come like 85 point something, 85.7 or 6. So you have probability of completing this project in 35 days is 85 percentage, 0.5 you can take, or 6. 85% chance of complete, 85.5% chance of completing this project in 35 days. So this is your sum. Have you all clear? Do you have any doubt? So they have given you the network diagram and they told you to find the probability of completing the project in 35 days or not. So they have given only, see, they have given only this basic network diagram. So automatically what you have to find the TE, expected time, latest allowable time, earliest expected time, slab. So only if you find all this, then you have to find the variance. So variance is this formula. So using this formula, you have to find the variance. So once you find all this, then you have to find the critical path to do this variance, because sum of variance along the critical path. You have to calculate all the critical path and you will be getting the variance value. Then you will be applying the variance value TS minus TE. So to work out this end formula, you need to find all this. Then you will be applying in this formula and you are getting 85.5% chance to complete this project in 35 days. You have any doubts? So this is how we have to calculate the probability sum. So are you all clear? So in this method, I am not going to give you any example sums. So in next class, I will be working out one more example sums for your better understanding. Any doubts, students? You can ask me at the end of the session. Thank you all.